Okay, so now it is installing agent 7.03 agent. Okay, agent also installed successfully. So what next? Okay, now we need to set up backend RDBMS. And we need to create the databases. Remember, we created the databases, right? Okay. So these databases I'll take. Okay. So from there once again. Okay. Okay. So now for databases, before starting this one, we have only 4 databases, but now we are going to create multiple databases here. Okay. So now you can see 11 databases created. Okay. So EM1 for activity monitor, H1. Okay. So we created separate database and we are telling activity monitor to store all its data here. I'm telling host monitor to store all its data here. Okay. Like that, okay, we have created different RMAN. Okay. This is for report manager. Okay. So these are the different databases, and data will be stored in different databases in the same MySQL instance. Okay. So just quit this one. Okay. After that, okay. Now create schema. Okay. At this moment, schema is not created. So now, okay, with this command, we are creating the link between your server and database. Okay. So now let's create a property file like this. So now you can see it is pointed to change.com. Okay. So now I'm starting the Cloudera Manager service. Yes. Okay. The service has started, and if you want to see the log, okay, you can see the log here. Yeah, it is loading. And again, okay, Cloudera Manager UI in CDP7 is again big UI. So at one time, okay, you will see like okay, if the service is started, okay, you will see started JT server message. Okay, so we have seen the message. We got the message like started JT server. Then Control C. Okay. Now you can go to UI and you can open it actually. Cloudera Manager UI. So open the Cloudera Manager UI. cmg.hadoop.com. The username is admin as usual. Okay. So now as the first step, it is asking, okay, so upload your license file. But anyway, okay, we don't have license file, right? This is not a full version. So, okay, so try Cloudera data platform for 60 days. Okay. And accept the license. You can continue. Okay. So now it is asking, okay, yes, okay, if you understand, okay, in we told like the CDP is a combination of what is it? CDH plus World Cloud Reference Autonomous, right? Okay. So even if you see this one, okay, this model is in new Cloudera. Yes or no? Sorry, this model is in Hortonworks. We want to these steps. Okay, and if you see this model, this is also from Hortonworks actually, but it's in a Cloudera UI. Okay, so click on continue. Okay, now it is asking cluster one. Okay, was it asking cluster? Enter your cluster name earlier. No, right? My underscore. Okay, so this is the cluster name. Continue. Okay, now it is asking host. Enter your host name. Okay, cn1.hadoop.com. Okay, so cn2, cn3, cn4, cn4, cn3, and cn2. Okay, so these are the four nodes. Search. Yes. Okay. I got cn1, cn2, cn3, cn4. Okay. Continue. Okay. Now it is asking, tell me where is your uh, repository location. Okay. So this is correct location only. And okay, for this one, use parcels recommended. Okay. So parcel repositories and other settings. Just click on this one. So here you can remove all these parcels here. Remove all these parcels. Remote parcel directory, you remove everything and okay, create a new one with our local one. Okay, save and verify. Close. Yes. Okay, it has taken 7.0.3. Okay, which is in our machine. Continue. Okay, so now it is asking, okay, do you want to install Java? No. Okay, so manually manage because okay, we already installed, right? We already installed latest version of Java. So click on manually manage JDK. Then click on continue. So now it is asking, how do you want to install it? Okay, I want to install it using chip user and all users accept the same password. Okay, welcome one. Okay, so click on continue. Now it started installing agent in all the four machines as a first step. Okay, as a first step, okay, it started installing agent. Okay, so it started installing agent. This may take some time, guys, because it's a big software, right?
This is 7.0.3, right?
This is 7.0.3, sir.
This latest one or standard versions?
Latest is 7.1.7. Okay. So I'm giving for upgradation. Okay, I will put okay. So here, okay. So Cloudera 7.0.3. I'm installing, upgrading to 7.1.4. Okay. So I've asked okay, one of the company people to give 7.1.7. That is the latest one.
Okay.
Not many changes happened in Cloudera. Okay. 7.1.7 is the next version.
No.
So it is installing. Yeah, started installing agents. Okay, let it install. Yeah, looks like it is done in all four missions, three missions done. So as the first step, agent is installed. Okay, the next step is okay, the software is getting copied to all the four machines. Downloading the softwares. I mean, downloading means okay, from Cloudera Manager node, okay, it is downloading to all other nodes. And okay, then okay, it is distributing means okay, unzipping. No, it is now it is pushing to all the nodes. Okay, unpacked means okay, it is unzipping. Guru mediation. No, sir, seriously, I never heard this word actually, Guru mediation. It's almost 50% completed distribution. Almost done. The next step is unpacking.
Sir, all companies use this one, sir. Most of the
Sorry.
CDP real time, all the companies migrated to old to new.
So almost okay, 60% companies are almost migrated, sir. Okay, 60%. Okay, 40% clusters are in the world are still running on Hortonworks. So it means okay. So there is no surprise okay, if you see Hortonworks cluster if you join in a company now. Understand?
Yes, sir.
It, in fact, okay, even okay, we have Hortonworks in place. Okay, so we have asked them to extend till end of 2021. Okay, so but we thought to migrate everything to uh, CDP,
Mhm.
CDP, but
Okay.
we couldn't do it okay, because of Corona and all. Okay, so what we have done, okay, we have asked them to extend okay, Hortonworks support for 1 more year. So it means okay, in our company also, okay, so Hortonworks will be there till end of December 2022.
So still the vendor support is available for
Vendor support is available, sir. Yes, yes. So if you go for new license, they are not accepting. But okay, if you go for existing license extension, yes, they are accepting. Yes.
Sir, I am at that select repository page now.
Okay.
So continue option is disabled. I like custom repository I chose, and other
Okay.
use parcels and none. Correct.
Yes.
But I don't know what this is disabled. Maybe I don't know. Maybe whether you selected anything else other than this. Sir?
No, 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 no. So create the parcels and okay, you need to delete all the old parcels and you need to put the your 120 111 parcel.
Yes, sir. 111 parcel. I need to put. Okay, sir. Will be.
Yeah. Okay. So now this is the cluster. Now it is asking, okay, add custom services. Okay, so let's go with the. So this is what I told you guys. Okay, so data analytics studio. This is the new feature where they are coming up with actually. Okay. So but okay, we want HDFS at this moment. We want Zookeeper. Okay, so we want Yarn. Okay, let's go with Tej also. Tej also. Okay, so these are the ones which we want. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so where do you want to have name node? CN1 secondary name node and okay, CN2. Okay, where you want to have balancer. Okay, so let it be on CN4. Okay, and data nodes 2, 3, 4, fine. Okay, cloud management service. Okay, we need to spread it across all the nodes. Okay, so Telmet publisher, you leave it because we don't require that. Okay, gateway fine. Okay, Yarn resource manager, this is fine. Job history server. Okay, this is also fine. Okay, node mine same as data node, but when it comes to zookeepers, we'll go with 3 zookeepers. Okay, so these are the 3 zookeepers. Okay, so we selected all the services properly and click on continue. So now it is asking, okay, give the database details. Okay, which database you want to use? I want to go with MySQL and which machine it is available. It is running. It is running on Cloud Manager machine. Okay, what is the database name? Report manager, right? RMAN, RMAN, RMAN 123. For activity monitor again. Okay, EM on. Okay, EM on and EM on 123. Okay, so these are the username, passwords, okay, database names okay, we have given previously. And okay, so we are checking it. Okay, so one is successful, both are successful. Okay, now click on continue. Okay, now it will ask you the properties. Okay, so what is the data node data directory? MNT disk 1 data. Okay, MNT disk 2 data. MNT disk 3 data. Okay, this is for data node. And for name node, MNT disk 1 FS image, MNT disk 2 FS image, for secondary name node, MNT disk 1 SNN. Okay. Then okay, for zookeeper it is okay. For zookeeper it is MNT disk 3 ZK data, MNT disk 3 ZK data. Okay, so these are the major ones. Click on continue. Okay, now it is installing it is perform the final step actually. Okay, so now this is the place where it is deploying all the services and okay, formatting the name node for the first time and starting the name node, starting the data nodes, and starting the zookeeper, starting the yarn services, everything it is doing. Okay, it's almost okay, all the services started. Now it's verifying whether all the services started successfully or not. Okay, good. So cluster is installed successfully. Yes. Okay. So guys, if you remember, okay, so this one is Hortonworks. You can see this model in Hortonworks, and okay, this is the screen for Cloudera. Okay. So that's the reason okay, we say it's a combination of Cloudera plus Hortonworks. Okay. So it is saying okay, we have one configuration issue. So suppress, close, and okay, here also okay, we have these are all memory issues actually. Okay, we can suppress these memory issues. Okay. So apart from that, okay, my cluster is completely green. Okay. So only thing is that okay, they changed. See here, okay, cluster, host, diagnostics, all those things. Okay, in Cloudera 7, okay, it used to come on the top. Cloudera 6, yes or no? Remember, guys, it used to come on the top. Okay. See the options and all everything is same, but okay, all these things it used to come on the top here in the Cloudera 6, but now it is coming in the side. Apart from this, okay, not major changes. Only thing is that extra tools have been added. Okay, I will talk about those extra tools okay, when I'm talking about ecosystem tools. Apart from that, okay, so if you see clusters, okay, this is the clusters, and okay, so and you can see which parcel you are using, okay, and which version of Cloudera you are using. Everything you can see what are the services installed here. Okay, what are the hosts you have here. Okay, same same thing. Add new host to the cluster. Okay, so review the update status, inspect host. Okay, so all these things are very common. Okay, when it comes to UI, okay, when it comes to options, okay, not much options, but extra tools got added in new Cloudera. Understand this? So do you want me to take through this UI once again? Because okay, this is okay. Most of the options are already there in Cloudera 6 actually. Okay, so we don't have anything extra options here, but only thing is that okay, uh, the place okay, where it is showing the layout got changed actually. The layout earlier, okay, so all these things used to be here, okay, now they are here like this. The layout got changed. The rest all okay. You take SDFS, okay, so the rest all same. And if you want to enable high availability, you can click on enable high availability. Okay, so these are all same. Understand?
Cloudera
Okay.
6, Cloudera management service is there, right?
Cloudera manager.
Cloudera management service separate option is there, right? In 6.
Okay.
Here also there.
Here also it is there, na Cloudera management service. Yes.
Yes,
See,
yes, got it.
activity monitor, publisher, all these things are there. Cloudera management service.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so all these things are there, guys. Okay, so nothing to worry about that. All these things are nothing is missed. Okay, clear. Okay, so let's not waste time here. Let's go to real-time project. Okay, so what is a real-time project? Okay, how data will come, all those things we'll see. Okay, we'll stop it here, or do you want me to explain anything in the UI?
Sir, can you
Sir,
explain?
where is the
Can you
retention option?
Sorry,
Retention option is there.
no retention, sir. Replication option is there actually. Replication, okay, I told you, right? Okay, I'll cover in the backup and disaster recovery module.
That means the retention policy 7 hours, like that, 7 days.
Okay, so those retention policies, okay, so that comes under YAN, right? Those are all same, sir. Okay, so YAN is YAN. Understand? Okay, and if you see the web UI, yeah, so this is the web UI. Understood? Okay, and if you want to see the what to say applications, these are the applications. Okay, at this moment, okay, there are no applications because we have not run any jobs. Okay, so these are the 3 nodes we have. Okay, and what is the current status of node? All are active. Okay, so okay, then okay, so these are the XML files, guys. Okay, what property you want to check actually? Okay, so retention, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
what is the retention property here? Log retention. Okay, retain.second, right? So can you see this one by default?
Yes.
This property is already there. Log integration properties. Okay. There is no change in the YAN side or SDF side. Only the UI layout got changed. That's it. Apart from that, you run any command of SDF, okay? Not in this machine. This is right. Okay, you go to any machine. SDF type in ls. Good. That's it is the same thing. Okay. I can create the projects. Okay. I created all the directories at a time. So these are the project directories. Okay. Okay, so we created the project directory. Okay. So this is the project directory we created and which is the ownership. Okay, now Alan can log in. Okay, so Alan, okay, so sample.txt, okay, so VA sample.txt. Okay, so hello, this is my new file. Cloudera 7. So TFS sample.txt to project score PLR. Now we see TFS 7 ls position score PLR. Now you can see this, okay, and replication factor also, okay, and okay, STFS, okay, iPhone files, iPhone blocks, iPhone locations, iPhone racks, the same thing, okay, yeah, everything is changed here, nothing else, okay, your Hadoop is Hadoop, guys, understand, your Hadoop is Hadoop, okay, only thing is that what they changed is this layout, clear, this is the new Cloudera layout actually. Okay, and they have come up with more and more tools here actually. So suppose if you see add services here, okay, so you have more services. Can you see this one here? So normally in Cloudera 6, okay, we have around 20 services, but here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 25 services, okay, extra some 6 services they have added. Okay, those are mostly from Huttonworks. Understood? Okay, so that's the only difference. Extra services, okay, you have. Clear?
Sir, from here, can you show where the Cloudera Manager is installed, like its instance or server name?
Where Cloudera Manager is installed, huh? Okay, just click on logs. Okay, okay, server log is not there. Server log, okay. Now this, okay, you want to know where the Cloudera Manager is installed, huh?
Yeah.
You want to know what is the machine the Cloudera Manager is installed. That's what your question.
Yeah. If I go to the if I click on the Cloudera Manager on the top on the left side, it shows the Cloudera Management Service.
Sir, where Cloudera is installed, this is the IP address of where Cloudera is installed, sir. This is clear, right? Okay. This is the IP address where Cloudera Manager is installed. Okay. And if you want to know where Cloudera Management Service is installed, click on this one. Okay. These are the different services. Click on instances. Now you will understand where what is installed where. Activity monitor is installed on CN2, alert publisher CN2, event server CN3, host monitor CN3, report manager CN4, service monitor CN1.
Okay, so how can we find out where exactly the Cloudera Manager is installed in this page? Is it Report Manager?
No, sir. Okay, so this is the URL, sir, where you can see.
Okay, in the URL. Okay.
Yeah, the URL will tell where Cloudera Manager is installed. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Or do you have any load balancer here in your environment? No, you're asking, okay, where Cloudera Manager is installed means, okay. So this is the IP address where Cloudera Manager is installed. Okay, but still, okay, if you're asking, okay, I mean, why I'm asking this question, okay, do you have any load balancer URL here?
No. I think I have the actual DNS name, the domain name over there. But
Then
the
okay,
thing is,
you want to know IP address, huh?
no. I don't want to know the IP address. I want to know the actual server, actual node where the Cloudera Manager is installed, because we are having some issues with the alerts
The DNS only, na? SH the DNS name, na?
yeah. That's right. But I'm seeing the different server name. And the server name I'm seeing here is different than. Okay. Let me put this question. Can we have this Cloudera Manager in two nodes, more than one node? Is
Of
it
course, yes,
possible?
you can have.
Okay.
That is the reason I
Problem.
asked you whether it is a load balancer or not.
Okay.
You got my point, okay? So in real
Got it.
time,
Yeah.
what they will do, what you, okay, see, if you are Cloudera, okay, anything you want to do, you have to do from UI only. Okay, what in case if UI is down, there are chances, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the reason, okay, what they will do. Okay. So Cloudera Manager 1, they will put Cloudera Manager Server 1, Cloudera Manager Server 2. Okay, so maybe this may be running in 100.168.111. Okay, this may be running on a, okay, like, okay, 122, but you will be having a URL. Okay, cm server.hadoop.com. Okay, so this is the common name actually. That's the reason I asked, okay, whether you are seeing any load balancer URL. Okay.
Understood, sir. Yeah.
This may be your problem then. Right?
Yep.
You are
So
seeing
real-time high availability is there, sir, for US?
yes, sir. Okay, for UI, okay, but we don't have high availability for Ambari, but okay, for Cloudera Manager, yes, we have high availability.
Is CD old Cloudera also is there?
Yes. Cloudera it is there from
Okay.
starting. Clear, sir? Now?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. So, okay, what we will do now? Okay, slowly. So, for what we understood, okay, so we started with storage layer. Okay, we completed this one. Okay. Done with this one. Okay, then we started with processing layer. Okay. Done with this one. Okay. Then we started with our distributions. Initially, we started with the Cloudera 6. Cloudera 6 installation I've shown you. Is also done. Okay, then okay, I've shown you Hortonworks. Okay, 3.1.0 I've shown you. So this is also done. Okay, then I've shown you Cloudera 7. This is also done. Okay. So each Cloudera Cloudera 7. Okay, so the storage layer and processing layer they are same. Okay, they are same. Now let's talk. Okay, so it is like, okay, we set up a cluster. So far, what we have done, we set up a cluster. We set up a cluster using Apache Hadoop. So the storage layer. Okay, so this is Apache Hadoop. Okay, so this is also done. Okay. So here I've shown you storage layer and all. Okay, so Apache Hadoop. We started with Apache Hadoop. I'll explain what is storage layer and processing layer. Done. Okay. So okay, we started with Cloudera 6. Inside Cloudera 6, again you will have same storage layer and processing layer. Since I explained in Apache Hadoop, okay, so I didn't explain, okay, what is storage layer, processing layer again here, because the same storage layer here. Okay, and it is the same case even with Hortonworks also, and it is the same case even with Cloudera also, Cloudera 7 also. Okay, so we have learned this one. Okay, till now. Okay, so let it be an Apache Hadoop or Cloudera 6 or Hortonworks or Cloudera 7. What I've shown you, how to set up a cluster. Okay, how to set up a cluster. Okay, now my cluster is ready. Okay, so let's say my cluster is ready with, okay, so let's say, so Cloudera manager here. Okay, so this is one node. Okay. And okay, so this is okay. So let's say this is CN1. cn1.hadoop.com. Hadoop.com. Okay, so in this machine, okay, we have name node. So ZK, Zookeeper, ZKFC. Okay, then okay, the nodes are there. So RM capacity server is there. Okay, in the same way. So we have another node which is cn2.hadoop.com. Okay, so here also the same thing. Okay, so RM is there. Okay. After that, okay, so we have another one. Okay, cn3.hadoop.com. So here, okay, we have Zookeeper. Okay, the node manager. Then cn4 data node manager, cn567. Okay, like this. Okay, so here, okay, data node manager, data node manager. And okay, so this is my Hadoop cluster. Okay, so along with this, okay, here, okay, we have one edge node also. Okay, so cn4, cn5, cn6, okay, cn7. Okay, so cn8. Okay, so this is the edge node. Okay, so this is the UI machine. This is the UI machine, Cloud Manager UI machine, and okay, so this is the edge node, and okay, we have agents also installed. Agent, Cloud agent. Yes or no? Okay. All agents are running. This is my Hadoop cluster which we have built.
Agent is running in UI also. Cloud RM manager as well.
Okay, so fine. Okay, so this is what the information we have at this moment. Okay, so each one is pointed to agents are pointed to okay. So this is the cluster what we have. Okay, and okay. So let's say in this cluster we have okay. So what is SDFS, guys? What is SDFS in this cluster? SDFS means okay, this is the sum of altogether. This is SDFS. Will you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is Jan here?
Resource manager and non manager.
Okay, so here, okay, wherever you have resource manager, okay, so this is YAN processing actually. So SDFS means okay, sum of all the storages. Okay, sum of all YAN storages. Yes or no? Okay. YAN means okay, sum of all NMs, okay, cores and RAM. Yes or no? Will you agree with me? So what is SDFS here? Sum of all data nodes, okay, storage. What is YAN? Sum of all node minus cores and RAM. Okay. So this is the Hadoop cluster what we have now currently. Okay, so now the capacity of okay, SDFS is like okay, all together. Okay, I have so many data nodes. Okay, let's say I have 100 data nodes. Okay, CN100 here. I'm telling CN100. Okay. Now all together I have. So my SDFS capacity is okay. Let's say 600 terabytes. Or let's say 1000 terabytes. Okay, all together. Okay. When it comes to YAN, so I have so here around 40 cores. You take around okay 500 cores. 500 cores. Okay. And okay, so let's say 150 TB or 200 TB. RAM. Understood? Yes or no? Okay, so this is the capacity of my HDFS. Altogether, this is my HDFS capacity. Altogether, these are the cores and this is the RAM I have in my cluster. Okay, now the question is that okay, who will use this storage and who will use this processing capacity? You got my point? Huh? You got my point, guys? Who will use this storage and who will um, who will process this? Who will use this processing capabilities? This is the empty cluster as of now. Okay, with this storage. So this is the empty cluster as of now. Okay, with this storage. Okay, now we need to understand. Okay, what is the work of developers here? How data will come to here? Okay, who will use this one? Okay, who will use this one? Okay, suppose okay now this is the storage capacity. Okay, this is the storage capacity and this is the processing capacity. So normally, it is a bank project. You take a bank project case. Okay, let's say if this is the XYZ bank cluster, XYZ bank cluster. Okay, if this is XYZ bank cluster, it's entire HDFS. Okay, so what are the projects inside a bank is? What are the projects inside a bank? Project underscore accounts. Yes or no? Project
Account.
underscore
Account.
credit card. Project underscore loans. Okay, project underscore
Insurance.
insurance. Okay. Okay. These are the projects. Okay. So maybe this 1000 TB will be shared okay across these projects. Will you agree with me? Okay. So it may be like okay, accounts team may use like around 300 TB, out of 1000 TB, 300 TB, or let's say 200 TB. Okay. Credit card team okay may use around 100 TB. Okay. And okay, loans team okay, so they may use like around 100 TB, and okay, project insurance team okay they use some this TB. Okay, it means okay around 600 TB is used. Okay, so you will have some free space, free storage. Okay, around 400 TB storage. This storage can be used in future actually. So this is how okay each team okay will store their data. Correct or not? Correct or not? Okay. So what is the project on HDFS? CRF, HDFS, DFS, F1 plus. Okay. A project means okay, it's a directory on top of HDFS. Understand? Project means it's a directory on top of HDFS. Okay. So inside this project, okay, you can okay, all the accounts data will come and sit here. All okay. So all credit card data will come and sit here. Okay, all project insurance data will come and sit here. Loans data will come and sit here. Okay. So and in the same way, okay, so now account stream has 300 TB of data, and now they want to run some queries. Okay, so whoever generate account statement, okay, so they need some processing capabilities. Okay, out of this course, okay, out of this course, what we are doing, okay, so out of this one, okay, so maybe okay, 100 cores, okay, we are giving 100 cores plus, okay, so 200 TB RAM, right? So around okay, 30 TB RAM, 30 TB RAM, okay, we are giving it to. We are saying okay, you can use this one. Okay, the same way. So here, okay, so again, okay, so 100 cores. Okay, I will give around 150 cores. Okay, around 100 cores. Okay, I will tell. Okay, so this one is around 50 TB. I will say 50 TB. I'll tell. Okay, so 20 TB, 100 cores and 20 TB RAM. So like this. Okay, I've given. So what are the free resources? Okay, maybe okay, so some free resources. But okay, here, okay, so is okay, having okay, free resources okay, like how much we have around 50 cores okay we have 50 cores plus okay around okay I'll put 30 here okay 60 TB RAM okay is free RAM is free okay 50 cores and okay 60 TB RAM is free okay so this is my cluster now okay. So now okay, we understood that okay account stream will store some data okay.
But the course and there is no dedicated course. Yes, it will like once job completes, it will be free. Correct.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Okay.
Then
But what in case if all 4 people submitted jobs, case?
then it will utilize, sir. Yes, at a time.
Yeah, at a time, okay, if all 4 people submit a job, okay, then okay, they will utilize, right?
So, sir,
That's what
is there any way we can restrict
reserve,
the
sir. You
one?
can reserve. You can reserve. Okay, so
Okay.
that's called schedulers actually. I will explain the performance tuning. Okay, you can reserve like this actually. Okay, think that okay, if all teams okay run their jobs at a time, okay, so this is the their utilization. Okay, understand? Understand, sir? Okay, I'll take it like this. Okay, if all projects run their jobs at a time, okay, so this is the utilization. Okay, so okay, now the question. Okay, so we are telling that okay, accounts data will come here. Okay, who will bring this account data and put it here? Okay, so now okay, let us see one real-time project case. Let us see one real-time project. Okay, so in the same way, okay, so okay, I explained this one. This is for okay bank cluster. Okay, in the same way, we can have okay, this is banking domain. We can have retail cluster also, right? We have retail cluster. So let's say okay, so Reliance is having this cluster, Reliance cluster. Okay, what is Reliance? Maybe in Reliance, okay, we will not be having much multiple projects. Okay, maybe okay, so here Reliance Fresh. Okay, Reliance. Trends. Reliance itself, okay, there are multiple, right? Okay, Reliance.
Telecom.
Okay, footprint, food something, right? Okay, like this. Okay, so Reliance, okay, insurance. So no. Okay, so like this, okay, you'll have different projects here. Different projects, okay, here. This is for a retail. So one is for Reliance Plus data, Reliance Trends data, Reliance okay, footprints data, Reliance okay, digital data. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, you may be having Reliance digital data also. Reliance digital.
It's gas and oil.
Okay. Like this, okay, they'll have okay. Reliance means okay, you'll have more and more projects, right? Yes or no? Okay. So now let's talk about Reliance Fresh, guys. Reliance Fresh. Okay. Okay. So normally, okay, so let us take okay in India, how many Reliance Fresh stores may be there? Guys, okay, I'm explaining the real-time project, very important. Okay, you need to understand because okay, see after completion of this course, if you go to any interview, okay, you need to explain okay, your project. Okay, if you don't understand today's class, okay, you cannot explain okay what is your project. This is not technical. Okay, I'm not teaching technology. I'm teaching how a real-time project flow will be. Understood? Okay, so now okay, so let's talk about Reliance Fresh data. Okay, so let us talk about Reliance Fresh. So now tell me, India, how many Reliance Fresh stores may be there, guys? In India? How many Reliance Fresh stores may be there? No idea?
So metro cities have 4 at least, and
Okay, so
small
let us
cities
do one thing,
two.
okay? So let us do one thing, okay? So, Reliance Fresh. What, first of all, what is Reliance Fresh actually?
It's the vegetables.
It's a supermarket, right?
Yes,
Sir,
supermarket.
Reliance Fresh
Yes,
is a
sir.
supermarket, okay? And it is from retail domain. Yes or no? Okay? It's a Reliance Fresh is a supermarket, it's from retail domain. Okay. So now, okay, who is the owner for this? Let's say, okay, so let us take it like Mukesh Ambani. And okay, number of Reliance Fresh stores, how many stores we have overall in India? Okay, let us take stores. Okay, we have 5,000 Reliance Fresh stores. Okay, we have. I'm just okay, giving example. Even I don't know how many. What are the exact number of Reliance Fresh stores? Yes, I'm taking one a rough number. Okay, 5,000 as a rough number. Okay, so now the question is that okay, What is data for Reliance Fresh, guys? What is data for this Reliance Fresh supermarket?
Transactions.
Huh?
Billing transactions.
Transactions.
What do you mean of transactions? So you all might have seen a Reliance Fresh, right? Okay, or any supermarket you might have seen, correct or not? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So here, okay, so now in Reliance Fresh supermarket, okay, so let's say, what is billing machine, guys? The billing machine. What is a billing machine? It's a machine installed with some billing software. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's a machine with installed with some billing software. Okay. And this software will have a connectivity to the scanner, and printer. Okay. So let's say you go to Reliance Fresh store and okay, you pick whatever items you want. Okay. Let's say you want to buy, okay, let's say um, some vegetables or some fruits, okay, whatever, okay, you want to buy, okay, whatever is available in Reliance Fresh. Okay. So you pick all those items in a basket and okay, you will go to the billing counter. Okay. So what they will do now? They'll take each and every item, they'll scan. Okay, when they scan, okay, what scanner will do? Scanner will send that information to billing machine. Yes or no? Okay. Like once you scan all the items, and then what they will do? They'll click on, okay, they'll press on generate bill. Okay. So when they press generate bill, what is happening in the background? Obviously, okay, what we are seeing is that, okay, the printer will print your bill. Yes or no? Correct? Printer will print the bill. Okay, so now, okay, you need to pay the money. So, or okay, maybe okay, in between, okay, first you will make the payment, okay, then okay, printer will print the bill. Yes or no? That is what you are saying. Okay. So now the question is that, okay, is this billing machine storing your whatever items you purchased in some place or not?
Yes, sir. Definitely it will save.
Huh?
It will save one place.
It will save, right? Okay. It means, okay, so if you have a billing machine, okay, so this billing machine, once okay, any bill is generated, it will be connected with a backend RDBMS. Understand? Okay. So this is the RDBMS. Okay. Once you generate the bill, automatically what this billing machine will do, billing machine will forward this, okay, all your entries to this database. Okay. Of course, it will print, okay, a bill also. Okay. That I agree. It will print the bill, but okay, along with printing bill, okay, that only we see actually. Okay. But we don't see what is happening in the background. In the behind scenes, okay, they will send all this information to a database. Okay. Now tell me what you will have in this database.
All the billing details.
Customer
Fine.
transactions. Yes or no? Yes or no? Customer transactions. Okay. Let's say you go there and okay, buy, okay, 1 kg fruits, actually 1 kg grapes, and okay, 3 kg watermelon. Okay. So that information will be available like this. Okay. So here, okay, so you will have the transaction date. Okay. april 4. Okay. So transaction item, watermelon. Okay. So I mean, so it's 4 kg. Okay. So per kg, how much it is? Okay, so let's say per kg 20 rupees. Okay, so this is per kg. Okay, and okay, this is the total cost 80 rupees. Okay, then okay, so it's the same day. Okay, so then if you purchased grapes also, grapes. Okay, so you purchased 1 kg. Okay, and okay, so 1 kg grapes at 100 rupees. Okay, so total 100 rupees. Okay, so your overall bill is okay. Total unit pay is okay. This much 180 rupees. Yes or no? So this is the information, okay, will be available in this RDBMS. Correct or not? Okay. Apart from this, okay, any other information, okay, this database will have? Any other information this database will have apart from this one?
It will have, sir, customer phone number
Okay.
information also.
So
Yes.
okay. So normally, okay. So this database, okay, what all information this database will have? This database will have information about product details. Yes or no? So see, you are scanning one item and it is clearly saying that okay, so this is grapes, okay, so 100 rupees. On what basis it is telling grapes 100 rupees? Will machine automatically understand that? Or, okay, so you are storing that information, okay, the cost of each and every product, okay, you are putting on one table, master table or not. So whenever you scan, okay, okay, an item, okay, so inside this one, okay, you will have a, I mean, okay, they'll have, so if it is a, if the barcode is for grapes, okay, so immediately it will check in the database, okay, uh, what is the price for grapes, 1 kg, okay, so based on that only it will tell, okay, so okay, grapes, okay, 1 kg, you have taken 1 kg, 100 rupees, okay, or if you scan, okay, if they scan watermelon, it will tell you kg 20 rupees, or if they scan any item, it will give you the price actually, okay. So it means that all the product details will be available inside this RDBMS database, okay. Apart from that, what else? Okay, customer information is also available or not? Customer information, what is customer information, guys? As soon as you go for billing, they'll ask, okay, sir, give me, tell me your phone number. Why phone number is required for them? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Why phone number?
Customer details, sir.
Huh?
Customer details.
So those are all customer details actually. Okay, so customer information also will be available in this backend IDBMS. Okay, and stock in, stock out. What is the stock in, stock out? Huh? So every day morning, okay, this is okay. I don't know whether you observed or not. Okay, so early morning, okay, 6 o'clock itself. Okay, normally some trucks will come and stand in front of supermarkets. Okay, they will be unloading items actually. Okay, so there will be a supervisor, okay, supermarket supervisor, who will be, okay, noting down, okay, like, okay, so okay, today this many watermelons came, okay, so in stock, okay, so 100 watermelons, okay. So if somebody buy, okay, someone come and buy, okay, watermelon, okay, so if they buy 2 watermelons, so automatically the count will reduce to, so okay, count will reduce to 98. Okay, in stock will be 100 watermelons, out stock is 2 watermelons. It means, okay, 100 minus to 98 watermelons are there. Okay, at any point of time, okay, if you see how many watermelons are there, okay, you can get that information here. In stock and out stock. Okay, stock and stock out. Okay, apart from this one, okay, you will have customer transactions. What is customer transactions? What do you mean of customer transaction?
Money transaction.
Okay, so what you purchased, okay, as a customer, okay, so what you purchased, how many kgs you purchased, what is the total price? So all these are the customer transactions which are available here. Okay, apart from that, okay, employees also, employee information also. So each supermarket will have employees or not?
Yes, sir.
Where those employees salary details will be maintained?
The same database.
Same database. Okay, and okay, you have expenses also. So what expenses you will have in Reliance Fresh? Sir, Corona time, okay, you take Corona time, okay, so they bring this, what is it? Sanitizer, right?
Yes, sir.
The sanitizer, right? Okay, so, or okay, let's say electricity bill, AC bill. These are all expenses, right? They have to pay electricity bill or not?
Yes, sir. They have
They have
expense.
to pay AC bill. Okay, they have to pay the rent. Okay, if the supermarket is in a rented location, okay, then they have to pay rent. Okay, these are all expenses actually. Okay, so when I say Reliance Fresh store, okay, Reliance Fresh store, Reliance Fresh store, okay, this is the store. Okay, each store is aligned with one database case. Each store is aligned with the database. Okay, this is called as Reliance Fresh database. Okay, every store will have one database. Okay, this database will contain all this information. Understood? This database will contain all this information. Okay. Okay, so this database will contain all this information. I'll put the arrow like this. This is the information. Okay, this Reliance Fresh database will contain. Okay, but now the question is that, okay, how many Reliance Fresh databases we have in India? Huh?
5,000.
Yes, 5,000. Okay, it means, okay, if I have, okay, so Reliance Fresh store 1, okay, so this is store 1, okay? Reliance Fresh store 2, okay, then Reliance Fresh store 3, okay, Reliance Fresh store, okay, I'll put it like this. Reliance Fresh store 5,000. Yes or no? These are the 5,000 stores we have in India, okay? So each store will have one database or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, let me put all these things here. Okay, let me put all these things here. Okay. So now you see here that. So now I have this is the Reliance Fresh store 1, total 5,000 stores. Okay. So this is the address of each store: JP Nagar, Amirpet, Hyderabad, T Nagar, Chennai, XYZ place, Delhi, XYZ, ABC place, Goa. Okay. Like this, these are the different Reliance Fresh stores we have, and each Reliance Fresh stores will have billing machines. Okay. And okay, so each Reliance Fresh store, okay, data will be stored into backend MySQL database. Okay. And is there any guarantee that every Reliance Fresh store will be using MySQL only? They may be using some people may be using Postgres also. Some people may be using Oracle. Some people may be using my MS SQL. Okay, MongoDB, all these things. Okay, yes or no, guys? So these are the 5,000 databases now. Okay, so each database will contain all this information. Will you agree with me? Will you agree with me, guys?
Yes, sir.
So I have total 5,000 databases, okay, small databases, and each database will have this information. Okay, okay, this information is related to that particular Reliance Fresh. Okay, see, will this database maintain any information about Reliance Fresh? Reliance Fresh 2 database maintain any data for Reliance Fresh 1? No. Okay, Reliance Fresh 1 database is separate. Reliance Fresh 2 database is separate. Understood? Okay. So now the question is that, okay, suppose, okay, now 5,000 places, okay, 5,000 different supermarkets are there. Okay. And okay, customers will be coming to each supermarket they are buying. Okay. Now as Ambani, okay, now let's say Ambani wants to know what are the total sales happened today across India. Is Ambani interested like, okay, what Venkata has purchased today or what Bharani has purchased today? Ambani is not interested about Venkata or Bharani or anybody.
Yes, sir. You want total transaction.
You want to know, okay, what are the sales? Okay, normally what kind of reports, okay, he want to see, okay, these kind of reports, okay, maybe what are the total number of employees across all Reliance Fresh stores in India, okay, or maybe what are the total employees, okay, we have all Reliance Fresh stores in South India or North India, okay, how much salary we are paying, okay, and how much salary we are paying. Yes or no? So, okay, this is kind of report, okay, where Ambani is interested. Okay, what are the total sales in India? What are the total sales in South India? What are the total sales in North India? What are the total sales in Bangalore? Okay, so okay, okay, you want to know what are the top 10 cities, okay, where we have top sales? Got it? Okay, he is mostly interested in these kind of reports. Okay, but okay, if I want to generate, okay, this kind of report, okay, is my data in one place or multiple places?
Multiple places.
Multiple places. Okay, but now when my data is in multiple places, how can I generate this kind of report, guys? Huh? How can I generate this kind of report? Can I generate? Can I generate a single report by
Single
connecting
report not
database?
possible.
Not possible, right? Okay, that is the reason. So, I mean, before Hadoop, I'm talking this. Okay, before Hadoop. Okay, so what is the traditional way? Okay, what they used to do? They used to do ETL part. Okay, what is ETL here? Okay, so every day, end of the day, it means, okay, let's say normally what time to what time Reliance Fresh stores will work. Okay, Reliance Fresh stores, okay, will start by 8 o'clock. Even if you go before 8 o'clock, will they sell any items to you? No. Okay, and okay, normally 10:30, 8 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. Yes, or okay, max, okay, or 10 p.m. only, I guess. Okay, 10 p.m. 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, this is the time of where Reliance Fresh stores will be operational. Okay, so now, okay, so 10 p.m. work will be complete. So by 10 p.m. all Reliance Fresh stores will be closed. Correct or not? So after 10 p.m. there won't be any transactions in Reliance West store. Okay. So what we will do now? Okay. So what? Okay. So there is a ETL team, extraction, transformation and loading. Okay. So there is a team. Okay. This is a software team. Okay. There will be some developers working in this team. Okay. What this team people will do? ETL team people will do. Okay. So they will connect to each and every database. They'll have address of each and every database. Okay. They'll connect to each and every database, and whatever data okay, let's say so 8 to 10. Okay, this is a Reliance Plus open. Okay, maybe at night 11 o'clock, 11 p.m., 11 p.m., or okay, 12 a.m., or 12 a.m., okay, night 12. Okay, so okay, so what these people will do, ETL people will write some jobs and okay, and schedule these jobs actually. Okay, what those jobs will do, these jobs will connect to each and every database and extract the data from here. What data it will extract? Okay, whatever the data it has come on that day. Okay, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Whatever the data it has, all the data it will extract and put it into a common place, which is called as a data warehouse. Understood? Put it into a common place which is called as a data warehouse. So what these people are doing? These people are ETL people. Okay, normally ETL means like Informatica developers or data stage developers. These are the people. They will write some programs. Okay, using those and okay, they will schedule those programs. Okay, even people are there or not there, they will tell okay, so start this program by 11 o'clock. Okay, or start this program by night 12 o'clock. Okay, so the program will start by night 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. So it will bring whatever the data it has on that particular day and put it into this warehouse. Okay, so normally if you see that these databases, these are all small databases, right? Okay, what is the capacity of this database? Normally these databases will hold only last 6 months data. Anything okay, which is beyond okay 6 months, okay, it will be deleted automatically. Normally, okay, but now okay, so we are bringing all the transactions. Okay, so all this data, all the stock and stock out data, customer transactions, employee details, expenditure, everything, okay, we are getting into a warehouse. Okay, so now what you do in this warehouse now? What is warehouse normally? Normally warehouse means okay, it's a big place where you store your data. Okay, so if you see normal small databases, they'll have a capacity of 1 TB, 2 TB max. Okay, but okay, if you see the warehouses and all, okay, they'll have a capacity up to 100 TB, 200 TB. Okay, so or okay, maybe there are warehouses with 1 petabyte capacities also. Okay, so now usually okay, so this is the warehouse. Okay, so here okay, what they do, so this warehouse will contain all employee data from all 5,000 databases, customer information from 5,000, customer transactions from all 5,000 databases. Okay, so it has all the data, whatever these 5,000 databases data we have, the same data will be available in the warehouse also. Okay, so now here again these ETL developers will write some programs, okay, to clean the data. So whatever the data is coming from small RDBMSs, okay, that may not be accurate always. Okay, so they will clean the data. So that is called as a raw data, the data cleaning, then data validation, then they do the data transformation. Finally, they create the process data and okay, they summarize the data. Okay, so the summarized data will be stored back into summary databases. Okay, again, okay, the same ETL people, they summarize the data and okay, store it back into summary databases. Okay, summary databases. Okay, so now what is raw data here, guys? Normally, what is raw data? So we need to understand what is raw data. Okay, let's say this is raw data.
Raw data, sir, without any processing, the raw data, like with the customer ID, it is coming.
Okay,
So
one
it is
second.
not understandable.
When I say raw data, this is the data which is available in each database. Yes or no? Okay, so this is Reliance Fresh one, Reliance Fresh one. This is the data which is available each Reliance Fresh, each store. Here, whatever data is available here, that is called as the raw data, sir. Okay. Now, as per your understanding, okay, what is transform data? What is transform data? Okay, this is called as a transform data. This is called as a transform data. Data validation, data transformation. Okay. So here, okay, you can see. Okay, now, okay, I want to okay, say here, okay, I have transaction date. Okay. transaction date, time, okay, seconds, everything is there. Okay, but here I have only transaction date. Okay, then transaction items, okay, cost, okay, number of items, okay, total cost, okay. But okay, this is the transform data, okay, from multiple stores, guys. Understood. Again, okay, so based on the store address, okay, they'll add few more columns actually. Okay. This city, state, country, region, okay, which month, which year, all those information is not available in the small databases. But when it comes to RDBM, okay, warehouse, we are adding these columns also, okay, extra columns, okay, in which city it is, which state it is, which region it is, which month it is, which year it is, okay. Maybe this is April. Okay, this is the April 2022. Okay. This is the data, sir. Okay. This is transform data. It means, okay, so we transformed from one place to one format to other format, and okay, we added some extra columns also, which are not there in the small database. Raw data means, okay, which is normally which is in okay, in small database. Okay. Transform data means, okay, which is there, okay, finally in warehouse.
So this warehouse also manage ETL team on this.
Of course, yes. Warehouse also will be managed by ETL. Okay. Now, what is summary data now? What is summary data now? Okay. So from this one, they generate the summarized data. What do you mean of summarized data here? When I say summarized data, okay, it is like this actually. Okay. So sales summary by city. Okay. So like this. Okay. When I say sales summary by city, so you are generating a report like this actually. Okay. So on 10, okay. So here, okay, I will put the date like today's date. Okay. So here, okay. Here, if you see, okay, this is the data which is coming from, okay, Bangalore, Delhi, Goa, different states, different cities actually. Okay. So now, okay, sales summary by city. What is sales summary by city? This is the sales summary by city. Okay. Like, okay, on this day, what are the total sales across Bangalore? Understand? See here, okay, these are the individual transactions. Okay. From these individual transactions, now I'm getting all the summary reports actually. Okay. On this day, so in Bangalore, okay, we may be having 10 Reliance West stores. From all the stores, okay, what are the total sales? From Goa, in Goa, okay, we may be having, okay, 6-7 Reliance West stores. From all 6-7 Reliance West stores, okay, what are the total sales? Okay, these are the summary. This is the summary data. You understood, okay, what is raw data, what is valid data, and what is summary data? Yes. So raw data is nothing but whatever data you are extracting from your small RDBMS, that is called as raw data. Okay. So this is the valid data and transform data. This is summary data. Okay. This is like, okay, one example here. Okay. Summary by city, summary by country, summary by month. Okay. I can say April month, total sales across April month. Okay. These are the total sales like this. So this is the summary data. Okay. Normally summary data will be less, right, when compared to individual data.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this summary data, what again these ETL people are doing, they are storing this summary data into summary databases. Okay, summary databases. Okay. So now your summary data is available here now. Okay. Now what next? Okay. How Ambani will see the reports, guys, normally? How Ambani will see the reports? Okay. Maybe Ambani will have a website, or okay, maybe. So, okay, he may be having one dashboard system, or he may be having a mobile application, he may be having iPad, or he may be having internet website, okay, anything. Okay. So he'll open his okay, iPad, otherwise, okay, he'll open up his iPad, okay, and okay, he will select, okay, I want the total sales, okay, total sales, okay, from last 4 months. Okay, last 4 months. Okay, so what you can see, so here you can see like this actually. Okay, so you will select that. Okay, so if what is iPad will do is the app, okay, inside this iPad will do. Okay, so it will send this request to whatever the request key is selected. Okay, so weekly okay, our monthly sales across, okay, city, okay, or across India, okay, or across region, okay, north region or south region, like this. Okay, so whatever the report they want, okay, they will select, he will select that report here and he will press submit. When he press submit, immediately this mobile app will send that request to any of the reporting tools. These are the reporting tools here. Okay, so these are the reporting tools. They will send to any of the reporting tools. Now these reporting tools will connect to summary databases and extract the data and send it back to mobile applications or iPad, and iPad will show the data like this. Understood, guys? See how your data. Okay, so how your data is getting generated, where it is getting stored, how it is taken into common place. Okay, how it is validated, cleaned, and okay, transformed, okay, and summarized. Then okay, after summarizing, okay, how it is stored in summary DBs, okay, and how Ambani is selecting the reports. Okay, so this is what, okay, this is the place, okay, where Ambani is selecting this data and seeing all these things. Understood, sir? Or any questions? So now tell me, okay, for Reliance West store, who are the people generating? What is data? For any Reliance West store, what is data? For any Reliance West store, this is the data, sir. Product details, customer information, okay, stock in, stock out, okay, customer transactions, okay, then employee information, Reliance West employees, expenses, all these are the information. Okay, but out of this, all this information, okay, which data will be more here? Which data will be more?
Stock in, stock out, sir.
Tell me. Stock in, stock out, okay, will be like, okay, so like 100 watermelons came, okay, 50 watermelons are sold out, okay. Is it the one, or okay, customer transactions are more?
Customer transactions will be more.
Customer transactions are more, sir. Understand? Okay, so customer transactions are more here. Okay, so now the question is that, okay, so but this warehouse will have all the data. Okay, is this flow good or bad, guys? Now tell me, is this flow good or bad?
Good, sir.
Very good, right? Okay, so see, you as a customer, you go to the Reliance West store and you buy items. Okay, so end of the day, so there will be some software developers, okay, will be sending your data from these small databases to warehouse. Okay, from warehouse, okay, again, okay, so again from warehouse, okay, what is happening? So from warehouse, okay, so they are, okay, the summary data is coming here, sitting in the summary DBs. So from there, Ambani is able to see the reports. Okay, so this is what is happening, okay, in a normal place case, normal in a traditional way. Okay. So do you see any disadvantage here, guys? Do you see any disadvantage here?
Maybe storage will full.
Okay, so one disadvantage is that, okay, data warehouse. First disadvantage, okay, they were facing, okay, is data warehouse. Okay, so this data warehouse normally it can store, okay, so this, okay, if you store like around like 2 to 3 years of data, it will become full. When warehouse is full, what to do? So when one warehouse is able to manage 3 years of data, for every 3 years of data, I need to create a separate warehouse. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if one warehouse can store 3 years of data, so for every 3 years, I need to change my warehouse. I need to, okay, keep one old warehouse and one new warehouse. Okay, again, okay. Now, if Ambani want to see last 10 years data, if I maintain, okay, every 3 years one warehouse, for 10 years I'll get 4 warehouses. 3 years, 3 years, 3 years, and last 1 year one warehouse. Okay, so now I have my data, okay, in 4 warehouses. If I want to, okay, run a query on last 10 years data, is it possible?
No, sir.
No. Again, okay, so you need to run queries from 4 different warehouses and you need to combine the result, which is not possible. Okay, and Ambani will not have that much time also. Okay, so now, okay, so in this full flow, the first problematic place is warehouse. Okay, so what is the solution for this? Okay, so warehouse is what is the problem with the warehouse? Storage problem.
Storage problem.
Yes or no? Okay, so what they have done, what they have done. Okay, what they have done. Okay, so they replace this warehouse. Okay, they replace this warehouse. This is the first thing they have done, guys. Okay, wherever they have warehouse, okay, they replace this warehouse with Hadoop cluster. Understood? Wherever they have warehouse, they replace that with Hadoop cluster. Okay. Why Hadoop? Hadoop cluster is a place where you can maintain unlimited data.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? The more and more space you require, okay, more and more data nodes I will add. Will you agree with me?
Yes.
Hadoop can maintain unlimited data, right?
Yes, sir.
So it will never say, okay, I'm overloaded. Okay, it will say, okay, yeah, please dump. Okay, add one more node and dump it. Okay, so here, okay, in Hadoop cluster, you can maintain even 100 years of data also. If data is really there, okay, so you can maintain 100 years of data. We are maintaining last 80 years of data in our cluster base. Understand? Okay, so this is the place, okay, where initially the first Hadoop is introduced in this place. Okay, so now because of this Hadoop introduction here, okay, anything changed here, guys? Only the warehouse is replaced by Hadoop here. Understand? Okay, earlier, okay, for customers, is there any difference if I change the warehouse?
No.
For customers, no change, right? Okay, so they are coming to Reliance West stores. Okay, they are making they are buying whatever they want, going to billing machine. Okay, they are generating the bill. Okay, on data is coming and sitting in the small databases for databases.
Yes.
No problem for these also. Okay, so but only thing is that, okay, earlier whatever ETL we were using, okay, so Informatica developers, data stage developers, okay, for them it is a problem because, okay, now, so to load data into Hadoop warehouse, okay, then, okay, you require Informatica data stage, okay, but to load data into Hadoop cluster, we don't require Informatica and data stage. We require a Hadoop tool which is called as Scoop. Okay, so now what Scoop does here? Scoop is a tool which will extract data from small RDBMS and, okay, put it into Hadoop cluster.
Sir,
Understood?
Informatica it will not support.
Huh?
Informatica and data stage tools are not supporting to.
They cannot directly load data into Hadoop cluster.
Oh.
Okay, but now, okay, they are coming up with some additional connectors and all. Okay, I guess now, okay, they are able to do, but, okay, when Hadoop released, okay, that time, okay, no chance. Okay, so now because of this Hadoop cluster implementation here, okay, what are the advantages they are seeing? First of all, cost saving, because, okay, here, okay, you are paying a lot of money for license, data warehousing license. Yes or no? Okay, but here, okay, you install Hadoop, okay, which is open source. You don't need to pay any money for anyone. If you install Apache Hadoop here, okay, at least, okay, if you go for Cloudera, you may have to pay for UI and, okay, support. Okay, but if you go for Apache Hadoop, this is completely free. You can completely skip this license part here. Okay, that is the reason, okay, here, okay, I put in blue color. Blue means all licensed ones. Green means open source, free softwares. Okay, so one is cost saving, okay, in terms of licenses. Okay, unlimited data and processing. Okay, so here, okay, you can store unlimited data. Any will Hadoop cluster say no, you put only 10 years data? No, right? You can store unlimited data. Last 100 years data also you can store. Okay, but, okay, anything else changed here in this part? No. Okay, so this is again same. Okay, this is again same. Okay, so here also same ETL is coming here. Okay, so again the same Scoop is helping. Okay, helping load the summary data from here to here. Okay, finally Ambani is using same, mobile app or iPad or internet website to connect to here Anil Ambani. okay, whoever it is, okay, some money, okay. So it is the same case for him. He is accessing the data using the thing. Okay. Any questions, guys, till now? Any questions till now?
Sir, in the ETL part, that
Ah.
data is inserted in the Hadoop cluster.
Yes, sir.
But Hadoop supports only Hadoop released tools only.
Of course, yes. Initially, yes, right? Hadoop supporting only Hadoop related tools. Okay. Hadoop is coming up with a set of tools like this.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. No. So when Hadoop is giving free tools, why you need to pay again a Informatica separate money, right? You want your Informatica license, you need to pay extra money. When Hadoop is giving free tools, why you want to pay license tools?
Okay.
Understand? Okay. So now, so here, what we have done, so when data is here, this is the raw data. Okay, you are extracting data from small databases and putting into Hadoop cluster. After extracting, so what you are doing? So this is what you are doing. Okay, this is what you are doing. So this is the RDBMS. From RDBMS, you are extracting data using Scoop. You are extracting data and storing it like this. So let us see this one. Okay. So this is what we are doing here. Okay, who will do what? Okay. So here we have data extraction. It means like extracting data from small RDBMS and putting into Hadoop cluster. That will be done by a tool called Scoop. Okay. So who will write the Scoop jobs now? Okay, we need some Scoop developers. Understand? Okay. Now once data is here, once data is copied from here to here, okay. Now who will do the data validation? Data validation can be done by different tools. Okay, one is Pig or Hive. So these are Hadoop tools case, Pig or Hive. Okay, and again, so we need Pig or Hive developers. Okay, and data transformation. This will be done by again Pig or Hive. Again, we need Hive developers, Pig or Hive developers. Data summarization. This also can be done by Hive. Okay, we require Hive developers. Okay, upload back to summary DBs. Upload summary data to back to summary DBs. Okay, again, this will be done by ETL Scoop developers. So these are the different people we require every day. I mean, these are the developers we require. Okay. So now, this is the RDBMS. Okay, Scoop will extract the data on daily basis and put it like this. Okay, on daily data. And data validation, data transformation will be done by Pig. Okay, it will store here. So this is the raw data. So here, it is stored in processed data. Then it is summarized data. Separate directories we are storing. So here under project underscore RF, okay, we have raw data, process data, summary data. Understood? Okay, like this, okay, you are validating the data and storing into validated data in separate directory, summarized data separate directory, and this data will be uploaded back to summary DBs. Okay. So now, one of the major problem is solved right here. Here, I can store last 100 years data also. Okay. This is the major problem, and that problem is solved. Okay. So is it fine now, or so can we make any changes here? Okay. See, what are the issues also we will note down here, guys. Okay. So with this architecture, what are the issues with this architecture? Okay. Issues with this architecture. Issues with the traditional architecture. So first thing is that, okay, so what is the issue here? All are licensed tools. All are licensed tools. Okay. Here, okay, whatever tool you use, okay, let it be small RDBMS or warehouse or ETL, okay, or summary DBs or reporting databases, reporting tools, okay. Everything is licensed tool. Yes or no? Okay, all are licensed tools. Okay. So fine, okay, Ambani has a lot of money, he is okay to pay license. Okay. So, but okay, what other things? Suppose now, if somebody, now if Venkata Venkata goes to Reliance Fresh store, at morning 10 o'clock, and he bought some items for 1,000 rupees. Okay, when does that number, so if today's data, okay, if Ambani wants to know what are the total sales across India on April 4, when he can see the report, guys?
Next week.
Next day. Okay. Or night after 11 only or after 12 only he can see. Yes or no? So correct answer is next day. So it means if I want to see what are the total sales today, okay, Ambani has to wait till tomorrow. Yes or no? So delay in the data processing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In generating reports. Yes or no? So these are the issues or not? Delay in report generation. Delay in reports. Okay, these are the issues. Okay, what Ambani is facing. These are the issues what Ambani is facing. Okay. So now here, what Ambani is facing here. Okay. So with this, okay, one problem is partially solved. But okay, here okay, we have many places where we have blue color. Correct or not? Okay. The first problem is not 100% solved. Okay. Correct. Okay. And second problem. So with this, okay, so with this architecture, this is the issues, okay. But with this architecture, what are the issues? It is partially solved. So no, it is partially solved. Or not. But this problem is still there with this model. Will you agree with me? Will you agree with me, guys? Okay. What next? So what they thought of? Okay. So now, okay, they thought okay a different way now. Okay. So anyway, we have ETL and all here, ETL and all here. Okay. So in the place of summary DBs, okay. See, Hadoop is giving some tools. Okay. So Hadoop has come up with connectors to this reporting tool space. Okay. Earlier, okay. So if you see these reporting tools, they were able to connect only databases. Okay. Now Hadoop has given some okay. So Hadoop some connectors, and okay, these people also they developed some connectors. Okay. So using those connectors, they can directly connect to Hadoop cluster here. Understood? They can directly connect to Hadoop cluster here. Okay, and they can generate the reports. Okay, when they can directly connect to Hadoop cluster, do they really want intermediate databases like this? Tell me. Huh?
No, sir.
Not required. Okay, so now we eliminated these summary databases. Okay, we removed summary databases and we are telling okay, these tools directly you connect to Hadoop cluster and can generate your reports. Okay, so now okay, after doing this one, okay, what is solved now? Huh? Or I'll put in it and then like this different. Okay, with this, what are the issues? Like this. With this model, what are the issues? Issues with okay. Okay. So both are red here. But at least okay, this one has been reduced, little bit reduced. Okay, but not completely, little bit reduced. Okay, but second problem is still there. Okay, but now with this model, okay, what has happened? This is okay, further reduced, further reduced. Okay, see, this is okay, full red here. This is okay, amber. This is okay, still reduced, further reduced. Okay, so now, okay, now what next? What they thought? Okay. So what they thought in the next level, okay, they thought to go like this. Okay, they have given an option. Okay, so even they replace this one is. What they have done? They replace this one completely. Okay, so now okay, so they have given okay, so they created like okay, so they have given some Hadoop tools only. If Ambani wants to connect, okay, if Ambani okay select a report in his iPad, okay, this iPad will send the request to IWAR HBase, not to these tools. Understood? Okay. So again, these tools are open source tools. Okay, so now, okay, after doing this one, okay, it is further reduced. Yes or no? But this is not become completely green. This is not become completely green. Okay. Otherwise, I will say this has turned to light green. This has turned to light green. Okay. Because okay, we still have licensed tools here. Okay. We still have licensed tools. Okay. Light green. Okay. This problem is solved now. Later, what they thought. Okay. Now they thought to remove this one. Okay. But okay, second problem is still red, right? Complete red, right? Yes or no? Second problem is still red. Okay. What they thought now? Okay. What they thought? Okay. They thought to remove these databases and okay, they thought to replace those with new tools. Okay. What are the new tools here? What are the new tools? So here, guys. Okay. So these are the new tools. No reporting databases, nothing here. Okay. So these are the tools. Now, what they have done? They removed this one. Okay. Understood. Okay. They removed these databases in the place of databases. Okay. What they have done? In the place of database, what they have done? They come up with the concept of. They come up with the concept of. Okay. Okay. What is Kafka here? Okay. So again, Kafka is a real-time tool. Okay. So they removed even this databases also. Okay. Now after implementing this one, okay, after implementing this one, what is the status of this one? So in the cluster everywhere, okay, you started using complete green tools. Okay, this has become complete green. This has become complete green. Understood? This has become complete green. Okay. So this problem. Okay. So here Kafka is there. It is bringing the data here. But okay. So what they started doing? Okay. So here they started doing like this actually. Okay. In the place of for data processing, they started using for data extraction. They started using Kafka, live data extraction here. Okay, it means okay, if you generate a, okay, if you go to supermarket now, okay, and if you buy items for 1,000 rupees, immediately the data is not sitting here. Earlier, data is sitting here, 9, 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, data will be sent to Hadoop cluster. But now it is not the case. Okay, now data will be sent to Hadoop cluster immediately. This is the next step. Okay, and okay, once the data is here, okay, as and when okay, your data comes, okay, so your Storm is a tool who will process your data. Okay. Spark is a tool who will summarize your data. And okay, Hive or HOS are the tools which will generate the reports also here. Okay. Slowly, okay, it has become, everything has become live data here, guys. Okay. What do you mean of live data? In this picture, okay, it has become complete green. Okay. It means, okay, it means, okay, if you generate a report here, okay, immediately, okay. So Ambani will be having a Ambani will be having automatically updated. Like okay. So if you buy something here, okay, it will have a report like this. Okay, Bangalore, okay, Pune, okay, Chennai. Okay, this is by city. Okay, if you purchase for 1,000 rupees today, okay, you'll have date here. Purchase 1,000 rupees today, 1,000 will be increased. Okay, within second. Once your bill is generated, okay, Ambani's dashboard will be updated. Okay, Pune. Okay. So the same thing. Okay. Wherever in Bangalore, if I have 10 Reliance stores, okay, wherever a transaction completed, bill is generated immediately. So it means okay, this will be okay. Let's say so overall okay, 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so it means okay, if I have live data here, live data reports, okay, like this. Okay, so Ambani will be taking this live data reports, okay, and maybe okay, he will be understanding like okay, what are the sales at this moment? If you open okay, at 9 o'clock and see this one, okay, till 9 o'clock, what are the sales today? You can see. Everywhere it has become real time now. Understood? Real time data. Okay. So now okay, we will see here, guys. Okay. So what are the tools? Okay, what we have here. Okay. So now if I want to go with data extraction, okay, if you want to go in batch processing, what do you mean of batch processing, guys?
Batch wise.
Huh? Taking all the transactions till night 11 o'clock, batch by batch, daily batch. So all your today's data will be sent to Hadoop cluster by okay night 11 o'clock, all at a time. Or you take an NEFT, IMPS. What is the difference between NEFT and IMPS?
MPS will immediately
NEFT means okay, every 2 hours transactions it will be processed at a time. Okay, IMPS means immediate transfer. Okay, so if you want to go in a batch processing, okay, data extraction tool is Scoop, data validation tool is Figure Hive, transformation tool is Figure Hive, summarize tool is Hive, okay, reports tool is Hive, dashboard tool is Hive, okay, data fetching tool is Impala. Okay, so these are the tools okay which will run in a batch mode. Okay, the similar tools okay see there are tools who will do the same thing but in a real time mode. Real time means immediately. Okay, Kafka knife pulsar, okay, validation. Storm knife pulsar, okay, transformation. Storm knife pulsar, okay, data summarization, Spark, okay, report Spark, dashboard Spark, okay, data fetching, real time data fetching with HBase, okay. So whoever wants, okay, so if anybody want, okay, if Ambani want okay, batch processing, you can go with this. If Ambani want real time processing, you can go this, okay. But normally, what kind of processing people are interested more? Live data is interested or okay, one day back data is
live
interested. Live
Live.
data is important. Okay, so companies are more interested in real time processing, not on batch processing. Okay, not on batch processing. Okay. So now we will see now. Okay, so now okay, Apache. If you take Apache distribution, guys, if you take Apache distribution, these are the tools. Okay, if you see, okay, these are the tools will come. Okay. Okay, to Apache Zookeeper, Apache Scoop, Apache Big, Apache have everything you need to install separately. Okay, all these are open source tools. Understood? Okay, but when it comes to Cloudera, okay, when it comes to Cloudera, okay, so Cloudera is kind of a Cloudera is coming like a parcel. This contains okay one UI, okay, plus one UI plus here no UI, no UI. Okay, so here Cloudera Manager UI plus these tools in Cloudera. This is old Cloudera. Okay. And if you see Hortonworks, again it is the same thing. Okay. In Hortonworks, we have Hortonworks softwares will come like a tarball. You will have 30 plus tools. You have a UI, Ambari UI, and these are the tools are same. Okay. And in the same way, new Cloudera, you take new Cloudera. The new Cloudera will contain around 40 plus tools. 40 plus tools. Okay. Will come in parcels. Okay. And this is the UI and these are the tools. Okay. Now tell me for a developer. Okay. Suppose okay, he is a Scoop developer. Okay. Developing Scoop command is same across Apache, Hadoop, Cloudera, Hortonworks, new Cloudera, same, right? Scoop is Scoop anywhere, sir. Yes or no? Pig is Pig anywhere. Hive is Hive anywhere. Impala is Impala. Kafka is Kafka anywhere. Okay. You learn Apache Kafka. It is like okay, learning Cloudera Kafka, Hortonworks Kafka, new Cloudera Kafka. All Kafkas are same. Understood or not? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Scoop
Okay.
is
Yes,
batch
sir.
processing, no, sir.
Ah,
But both are there, Scoop and Kafka.
see, in all the places, okay, you can use batch processing, you can use real time processing. Okay, all tools are coming together here. Understood?
Okay.
Okay, so it means okay, if you see new Cloudera, it will provide all batch processing tools. Okay, it will provide all real time processing tools also. Okay, see, not okay. Some people maybe that is their requirement. Okay, so they don't want to process live data. They want to process only batch data. Okay, so in that such people will use batch tools. Okay, some people want okay, they want live data, so they will use okay real time processing tools. It's up to them what tools they want to use. But okay, So these people are providing all the tools. You use whatever you want. Understand? If I have, okay, so if you see new cloud, right, is providing 40 plus tools. Does that mean like everybody will use 40 plus tools? Whatever tools they want, they will use.
Based on the requirement.
Based on the requirement. Understood?
Okay.
Understood? Okay. So, okay. Now, okay, now as per your understanding, when I say Hadoop team, okay, so Hadoop team will contain some admins and some developers, right? Yes or no? At the end of the, these are also Hadoop tools, right? Huh?
Yeah.
Yes or no? At the end
Yes,
of the day, so these are all Hadoop tools only. Okay, so it means that when I say Hadoop team, it is a combination of Hadoop admins and Hadoop developers. Okay, in our current project, okay, we have 200 plus Hadoop admins and okay, 4,500 Hadoop developers we have. Ours is a very big project actually. Okay, so this is the project we have. But okay, normally wherever you take, okay, admins will be less and okay, developers will be more. Okay, so here also it is the same case. Okay, so now we need to understand, okay, what is the admin work and what is developer work? Okay, so we will see what is our work and then Hadoop admin, okay, what we will do. Okay. Suppose, okay, now you see, okay, setting up the Hadoop cluster. Okay, who will set up the Hadoop cluster?
Admin on
Doing.
okay.
Okay, so this cluster setup, okay, this Hadoop cluster setup. Okay, this is responsibility of Hadoop admin. Okay, will you set up every day or it is one time work?
one time.
One time.
One time work. Okay, it is one time work. Okay, so you will not set up every day, guys. You will not set up every day. It is one time work. Okay, after that, okay, let's say, okay, tools installation. Okay, now you see we have set up the Hadoop cluster. Did we install any tools here? Did we install any tools here? This is Hadoop cluster which has storage, which has processing. Okay, to control high availability, we have Zookeeper. Okay, but did we install any tools? No. Okay,
No, sir.
now Scoop developer will come and ask, hey, Hadoop admin, okay, we want to write some Scoop jobs. Okay, can you install Scoop? Okay, and give it to us. Okay, so now when it comes to us, okay, when it comes to Scoop, okay, what is our work? Okay, installing Scoop, whose work it is? Who will install Scoop? Okay, what is Scoop here? Scoop is a tool, okay, which will extract data from small RDBMS and put it into SDFS. Okay, who will install Scoop? Installation work is done by Hadoop admin, but is it a regular work or one time work? Will you
One
install
time.
every day?
One time.
Okay, you will not install every day. Okay, then configuration changes. Okay, so again configuration changes also will be done by Hadoop admin, but okay, you will not do configuration changes every day. Okay, whenever it is, whenever Scoop is not working as expected, if somebody feels that okay, there is a configuration issue, then okay, you may go and change it. Understand? Okay, giving access. Will you give access to developers, okay, every day, or you will give one day and okay, the same will continue at times, okay, when required. Okay, so now who will write? Okay, now developers got the access. Okay, admins are given access to developers. Okay, now who will write the code? Who will write Scoop code?
Developers.
Developer will do. Okay, so that is their regular work. What Scoop? If I recruit a Scoop developer, daily his work is that, okay, so writing the code, okay, so running the jobs, okay, so running code development, okay, job running, so running the jobs. Okay, who will write the code? Developers will write. Okay, who will run the jobs? Huh? Run the jobs. Developers only will run the jobs. We don't run their jobs. Okay, they will only run the jobs. Okay? That is their regular work. Okay, but who will do the maintenance? What do you mean of maintenance? Suppose, okay, suppose, okay, Scoop has some updated libraries and all. Okay, we need to update the, okay, upgrade or maintenance. Okay. Who will do it?
Developer need to do.
Okay, upgrade, sir.
Admin.
Admin will do. Hadoop admin will do.
Yeah, admin will do.
Okay. Will you do upgrade every day? No, right? At times or when required.
Yeah.
Okay. And performance tuning. Who will do the performance tuning? Normally performance tuning. Okay. So performance tuning can be done from code level, from infra level. Okay, if it is a code level, developer will take care. Okay, if it is okay configuration level, Hadoop admin will take care. That is the reason. Okay, I have put Hadoop admin / developer. Both will be part of this performance tuning. Okay, and again, okay, will they do performance tuning every day? Whenever they feel their jobs are running slow, then only at times are when required. Okay, and okay, so real-time issues. Okay, let's say there is an issue. Who has to fix that issue? Developer will try initially to fix their own issue. Okay, if developers are unable to fix their issue, they will come to admins. Okay, now admins will involve, and okay, admins will try to fix the issue. Understood? Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, so even real-time issues also, it's a work from both. Okay, admin and developer. Okay, and real-time issues is a regular work. When I say regular work, it doesn't mean that every day you will do. Understood? It is not okay. Every day you will do, but normally, okay, whenever any job fail. Okay, so as a Hadoop admin, okay, you will be waiting for job failures. Any job failed, okay, any issues there. So admin should be able to do it, okay, whenever it is required. Okay, so this is also okay. So let's say when required.
Sir,
Understood?
one thing can you do? Like,
Sir,
can you just share real-time issues? Like,
I will
if
share, sir. I will share at the end. Okay, for each tool, I will share again.
yeah. That it no while like end of the it will be like that time will be less. So with the course itself, if you can this issue we faced, that's how we fixed. That's how that would be better easily.
Sir, Vipin sir, okay. So
Yes,
you
sir.
see my screen, okay? Scoop, okay. I will explain what is scoop, what is features, how to do performance tuning, what are the real-time issues. Like for every tool, I will tell you.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
That's what you are expecting, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I will tell, sir. I'll take care. Don't worry. Okay. So yes, okay. You understood like now, okay. What is okay responsibility of admin? Okay, what are the responsibility of okay, or what are Hadoop admin responsibilities? What are Hadoop developer responsibilities? When I say Hadoop team, it is not only admins will be there. It is like admins plus developers, both. Okay, so admins will set up the cluster. Okay, and then install the tools and give access to the developers. Now developers will come and write their programs. When they are writing the programs, when they get any issues, okay, we will help them. Okay, now it is the responsibility of writing program and running that program and okay and getting the data from source to destination. Whose work it is? What programs developers will run? Developers will run the program
Developers. Yeah.
which will get the data from source and put it into Hadoop. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow onwards, okay, what we can do? So we can see all these tools. Okay, what is Scoop, what is Gig, what is I, what is HBase, what is Impala, what is Kafka, what is Storm, NiFi, how to install them. Somebody comes to you and asks, okay, hey, install Scoop, okay, install I, okay, how to install, okay, how to configure, how to do the performance tuning, okay, what are the issues you see in that tool, okay, real-time issues, okay, all those things we will cover one by one from tomorrow. So
Sir,
from
one
tomorrow,
question, just general.
one
Sir,
second, sir.
let us suppose
Sir, one
now.
second, sir.
Yeah,
One second.
okay, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow I'll be starting with the ecosystem tools. Okay. These ecosystem tools are mostly for developers. Okay. These ecosystem tools are majorly for developers. Okay. Not for admins. Okay. But however, okay, we need to understand what is each tool, what is the architecture of each tool, what it does. Okay. How it works okay, with the simple programs. Okay. And how what kind of problems we get and how to solve those issues, how to do performance tuning. So those things I'll be discussing from tomorrow. Okay. Now your question, sir, please.
Sir, if let us suppose if until now we were in on-prem Hadoop cluster, and
Okay.
suddenly we need to move to new cloud Hadoop cluster.
Okay.
So in this case, configuration-wise, who will give input? Architect only will give, like,
Architect will
or
give, sir. Obviously, architect will give.
okay, sir. So what is our means admins will also contribute, like this is our
Okay. So
existing something like that.
architects will tell, okay, so you make these changes, and okay, those changes will be done by Hadoop admins.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, okay, so let it be on cloud or okay, let it be on okay, You say scoop, okay? You use scoop on Apache distribution, Cloudera distribution, on Autonomous Arc, New Cloudera, or Cloud Arc, wherever you go, cloud, okay, scoop is scoop. Understand? You go to, okay, North India, you go to South India, you go to US, okay, you go to UK, or you go to France, okay, Venkata is Venkat, or okay, Vipin is Vipin, Bharan is Bharan. Okay? Maybe the place where okay, they are staying, okay, where you are using, that will change. But rest, everything is same. Understood? Okay? So, okay, we'll stop it here, guys. Okay, I guess it's time. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Yeah. So we'll start with the extraction part. Okay. So soup tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you. See you all tomorrow.